let's add colors on the plane. So if you want to have a better rendering, it can be extremely interesting to add colors on your 2D plane of the room. So for this, we are going to go on material, or here it's in black, and first things to do, I'm going to go on colors. I'm going to select Wise colors, and I would like to have this in Wise like that, like this. Then I'm going to paint the different element. I'm going to go on the bed, and for bed, for example, I can go on textures, and I can select, for example, carpet, fabrics, leather, textiles, and I can select, why not, here I have wallpaper, textile run, and why not to select fabric linen, and I can add this. Then you can edit your material, so it means that if I want to change the color, here it's in gray, but if I want to change the color, I can go on plus, create materials, and here I can change the color. So you can change the name if you want, but it's not obliged, and you can directly just change the color. And for example, I would like to have this more in blue like that, and I can select OK. Now I have my new material appearing at this level, and I can add like this. For example, here I'm going to add maybe this, but in gray, it's good. And for the pillow, same colors as this, so I take again this material like that. Or maybe I can change the sheet, so I click on this material and I change the color. Now I'm going to take a different material. So I'm going to come back on carpet, leather, and fabrics. I select again fabric linen. I go on plus, and this time I'm going to add like this. Then here I would like its furnitures in wood, so I go here, I select, I'm going to select wood, and for example I can go on wood plywood knots like that. I would like to have this, and I can integrate like this. So if I want to have this in a darker color, I can go on the plus also, and on the color wheel I can edit little to have something, for example, like that. And I can paint like this. Here I'm going to integrate the same color, for example, here also. No, not here. Like this, and also the same color at this level. For this furniture, or maybe I can change and edit little, so it means that I can go also on, come back on color. I can select, for example, brown color like this, and to integrate like that. Or maybe let's try with this color like this. Here at this level, for example, this furniture in black, so I can go also on, why not, now I can come back on wood also, and this time maybe to change with wood cherry original, and I can go on edit, select, I can go on plus, and I can take something more like this, and after I integrate like this. Here it's going to be the TV, so for the TV I can just come back on color, and on color I can select something, why not in gray, like that. For the armchair, maybe I can introduce this, a red armchair, so I can go back, I can go on carpet fabrics, and I can select again fabric linen, or maybe I can change and I can select, for example, suede blue, like this. And then I'm going to edit material and to add something like that, clear blue at this level, like that. Here it's going to be the plant, so for the plant I can go directly on landscaping, fencing and vegetation. I select, for example, vegetation grass artificial, or I can select vegetation blur, like this. So you select a vegetation, and then here it's going to be the pot, so for the pot I can select another color, and for example I can select just green color and to place this like that, or green color like this, like that. Then I just need to change the color of the floor. So to change the color of the floor, I'm going to go and to come back again on wood, and I would like to add wood floor light. So you have wood floor dark, wood floor light, but you can edit also after the color, or something like this may be better. So I'm going to select wood floor light and to add this like that. And also inside this and inside this. And it's okay, we have finished to add colors on your document. And after, the things that you need to do, so you can save your document and you can export. So every time you need to export, so before need to export your 2D plan but just in black and white, just one color. Then now you can go on file and you can also export in 2D graphics like this. So you're going to export 2D graphic, you select JPEG image, you select, so for example, plan room, I can select plan room, I add color and JPEG image, and I go on export. Then I'm going to show you the rendering with the JPEG image, and this is the rendering of our plane in color in JPEG image.